And the second one we are talking about is the resonator. This one is already have for some periods. And I normally have this one in my working room and running it 24 hours all the times. And as well as Light Mandalas, we are in the rice field, in like a glass field. So we are normally surrounded by nature. So we also have this one in our building, and we keep it running 24 hours as well. So every day we have butterfly, dragonflies, a good insect coming to visit us inside. So we are not notified about this because we are in the nature. Our building is in the rice fields. And we have one customer in Hong Kong. She buy the resonator and she put it in her room. She living on 18th floor. And then she leave the window open. And she make a call to me in 3 days after when she received it. She said, Chachai, we have the butterfly in my room. I have the butterfly in my room. I said, why? And she very surprised because she living on the 18th floor, very high floor in the middle of Hong Kong, like a lot of building. So she notified this one. When I heard this one, I just come to Light Mandalas to the building. I unplug all the resonator. And after a week passed by, we never have butterfly in our house at all. So when I put it back, and then we start to see the butterfly again. So this thing will confirm that we have the forest energies coming in. The resonator is a device that is filled in the room with the forest fields energy. So if you are in the building, a high floor, or in a big house which has no nature at all, this one will support the energies of the nature, and it will help you to more relax. I have this every time when I'm working, and it's very good for me to calm me down in a stressful environment, in aggressive environment, in annoying everything. Especially when we have a business discussion. This one is very work. This one is very work as well in the business discussion. So you will calm down, and people and your partner will starting to settle, and then we will listen to each other. So if you have an office, you should have the resonator running 24 hours. No, I should put here first. Yeah, you should have it running 24 hours. It will fill up all the rooms. And for the house, you can put it in the living rooms. I'm not suggest to have it in the bedroom because sometimes the energy will wake you up. But you can put it in the bedroom before you go to sleep. It's fine. Like 1 hour, leave it 1 hour before you go sleep. And leave it 1 hour to fill up the energy in the room. And then you turn it off and move it for another room. And then you go to sleep. That one will give you a forest feels in your bedroom as well. Another method, another function of the resonator that we can share right now is the anti-aging one, that you can have your pictures printed out in black and white. You remove the pyramid here and then put the photo here, upward, the photo upward. And then you put the pyramid on top of this one. And then you can go to the application. Can you show me the application? Yes. And then you can have a torsion mode here, this one, to allow the light to run in a circle way, like this. It will run like this. So this one, you can keep it in the room that has only you, like your private working room or the room that you sit alone. Because if people sitting in the same room, they will feel your energy. Some people, they might not like the other people energy. So these features of the anti-aging will bring the energy of the picture that you put it in. the picture that you put it in should be the picture that you are like healthy, happy. It is all fine. It can be like a young age. So you can put that one. So, and then if you send the energy, put it through the picture. If people are worried about negative energy that's happened in that period when you are a teenager, it's called fine because we're sending in a high frequency. So a high frequency will take only a positive energy to you. So if you not carry a negative or unwilling energy to you, because we are playing with a high frequency. So the resonator also has 40 megahertz. So the frequency is very high already. So it's all fine. But for me, I like this one very much. So I have the harmonizing. If the sound is noisy, you can drop the sound to as low as possible, but try like not to be remove it because we need the sound. We need a sound to fill up the space as well. So you can reduce it until if you focus, you will hear it. If you don't focus, you will not hear it. So I will suggest this one. And another point of the resonator here is the sound. This one can have the plasma burst energy. It is a secret that we have the relay in the relay circuit that we revert the power in. The power out, we put power in. So this one create a burst plasma, like these sounds will create up all the energy like a reset button, and then start to fill in the good thing again. And then after the cycle, it creates up and then fill in the energy again. So as well as if you are meditation practitioner, so you can put it in front of you like this. And then you can start to meditation, put your focus on the tip to the tips of the pyramid and let the light shining and guide you through the state of meditation. This one will also boost up the energies of meditation. It will fasten the time. It will make yourself to go deeper in meditation as well. So this is the resonator. Okay, so we have two things already now. The first one is the breeze. This is a small and portable version of the resonator. And then the room resonator is the one that is for working room, for the meeting room, for the living rooms, and for the room that has a lot of people. So I have the story that I would like to share is I have like insurance lady who are working with the financials and money, and she's a financial as well. So she come to my rooms and my working rooms, and then she's starting to come like very busy and dizzy because she meet a lot of people. She dealing with a lot of money and stressful the whole day. She come and then she come to my room and then she sit and waiting about 3 minutes because I told her, okay, please wait for me. I'm still working. In 3 minutes, I will ready to start to talk to you. She coming with like very straightforward, very quick, move the thing quick, put the tablet and writing, everything quick for her. After 3 minutes, when I'm ready, I come to her. Okay, I come to her and I say, I'm ready to talk now. The first thing she asking to me is she point to the resonator in the back of my table because I have the resonator here at my working room all the time. She pointed there and then she said, what is this one? Because, and then her voice, her mood, her speak, her feeling, her eye, everything slowed down. And then she said, what is this one? I feel connecting with this resonator, this pyramid thing. And then this thing calm me down. She said like this thing calm me down. So I start to explain to her. Now she has one in her room and she feel very happy. And today she come again and ask more how to use this one, how to benefit more about this one. So we just share this to her. So I just share this to her today as well.